Are you ready to make $500 or more daily online in 2025? Whether you're exploring a side hustle or a full-time income, I'm here to share 10 proven ways to earn real money online. No fluff, no gimmicks. Before we dive in, like this video to support the channel and subscribe to stay updated with the latest money-making opportunities. Wait until you see the last one, it's absolutely mind-blowing. First up, freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start earning online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer services such as writing, graphic design, video editing, and social media management. How to get started? Pick a skill you're good at or willing to learn. Create a standout profile with a professional photo and detailed bio. Offer competitive pricing initially to attract clients. Deliver high-quality work and request reviews to build your credibility. Earning potential. Beginners can earn $20 to $50 per project, while experienced freelancers can pull in $100 to $500 plus per project. Over time, this could grow to $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Second, imagine running an e-commerce store without holding inventory. That's the magic of dropshipping. With platforms like Shopify and suppliers like AliExpress, you sell products while suppliers handle shipping. How to get started? Pick a profitable niche. Think fitness gear, pet products, or home decor. Set up a store on Shopify or WooCommerce. Market your products using social media ads or influencer collaborations. Earning potential. Beginners make $500 to $3,000 per month, while advanced sellers hit $10,000 plus monthly. Third, turn your creativity into profit with custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Platforms like Printful and Teespring handle the logistics, so you focus on the designs. How to get started? Create unique designs using Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Set up an Etsy or Shopify store. Market your products through social media and ads. Earning potential. $500 to $5,000 per month depending on your design's popularity. Fourth, earn commissions by promoting products or services. You get paid for every sale made through your affiliate links. How to get started? Pick a niche like tech, fitness, or personal finance. Join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Promote your affiliate links through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Earning potential. $1,000 to $15,000 per month depending on your audience size and engagement. Fifth, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram allow you to monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. How to get started? Pick a niche, tech reviews, DIY projects, or fitness tips. Post engaging, high-quality videos consistently. Use SEO and social media strategies to grow your audience. Earning potential. From $1,000 to a staggering $50,000 per month as you build your brand. Sixth, if you're an expert in something, fitness, investing, or even baking, share your knowledge through online courses or eBooks. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad make it easy. How to get started? Pick a topic and create easy-to-follow lessons. Upload your course or ebook to platforms like Udemy or Gumroad. Promote your content via social media or email marketing. Earning potential. $500 to $15,000 per month. A friend of mine turned her baking hobby into a course and now earns over $10,000 monthly. Seventh, if you love photography or videography, turn your camera into a moneymaker. Upload your work to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels. How to get started? Select high-quality photos or videos with broad appeal. Upload them to multiple stock photo platforms. Earn passive income every time someone downloads your content. Earning potential. $500 to $5,000 per month with potential for long-term passive income. Eighth, Help entrepreneurs and professionals with tasks like email management, scheduling, or customer support, all from the comfort of your home. How to get started? Create profiles on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Start small to gain experience and build a portfolio. Increase your rates as you gain more clients and skills. Earning potential: $500 to $4,000 per month, depending on your hours and expertise. Ninth, podcasting is booming, and it's an incredible way to share your passion while earning money through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or listener donations. How to get started? Pick a niche: true crime, tech trends, or personal development. Use free tools like Audacity to edit and Anchor to publish. Promote your podcast on social media to grow your listener base. Earning potential: $500 to $10,000 per month with sponsorships and ads. Finally, build wealth online by investing in crypto or stocks. Apps like Robinhood, Binance, and Coinbase make it beginner-friendly. How to get started? Spend time learning the basics. Watch YouTube tutorials or read beginner guides. Start small with as little as $10 and grow your portfolio gradually. Focus on long-term growth, not risky short-term trades. Earning potential: scales with your investment and market knowledge. And that's it. 10 proven ways to earn $500 plus daily online in 2025. Which method excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Before you go, like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tips to grow your income and achieve financial freedom. Unleash your potential and keep building your financial strength. Check out the next video for even more ways to crush it online in 2025.